Happy Friday, everybody. Here comes PC data 8:30 a.m. Eastern, and here we pump right from buy zone. We are starting to pump, going towards sell zone. Futures are up. MES already 0.79%. Nasdaq futures are already up. You can see from the buy zone to where we are right now, 0.9%. Still can go higher. Everything, all the futures are up. You can see Dow Jones. This is also up. From here, it's already up 0.52%, and Russell 2000 is also up. You can see this was a bit stronger than other indices, but it did touch buy zone yesterday and it already bounced as well. And also on the cycle chart, it's right on schedule. You can see here, I was telling you if you're going to expect bottom yesterday or today, and that's it, guys. This is it. This is bottom. We're going to get this rally now. All right. So we're now getting ready for this rally, and next couple of weeks we're just gonna keep rallying. So this is the time. Yesterday was the time to buy the dip. I was telling everybody, I told my subscribers, I told everybody here on YouTube, if you watch my channel, you know what to do, and hopefully you bought this dip, and now we're getting ready for this massive rally in the summer. Hope you like the content, guys. Please hit the like button. It only takes 1 second to hit the like. Please share this channel with friends and family. Really appreciate that. And if you want to know my trades, what I'm buying and selling, I'm telling my members on live when I'm buying and selling stocks, what stocks I'm buying and selling. Join. There's a join button in the description of this video. Join it. Let me know your user ID in a Discord group and I'll add you to members only section. All right, so let's go with cycle start, SPX, bottom, nothing else. Looking for a rally, and that's what we are getting right now. If you look at MES, you can see we're starting to get this rally. All right. As simple as that. And let's do a side by side comparison. You can see now we are in the buy zone, now getting closer to sell zone. So you missed the move. Okay. So if you did not buy yesterday, you missed the move. So most of the move is already done pre-market. We're getting closer to sell zone and some resistances here. Okay. So it can still go a little bit higher, but then there's some resistances coming. But overall, if you look at daily chart, I'm looking for higher move in next couple of weeks. Okay. So there will be some choppiness in the day trading chart. You should be looking to take profits, and then it's going to be some declines, then up. But overall, if you're a swing trader, you should be looking to buy because I'm expecting next couple of weeks a rally. All right. And on SPY, here you go. SPY, there is a gap down happened yesterday. The gap is here around 525, then another gap around 528. I think this rally will fill most of these gaps. So that's where we are. Nasdaq. Let's look at Nasdaq. Same thing, rally going from buy zone. Nasdaq can still go higher. Even if you catch now, I think it can still go 0.4% higher, and then little bit of resistance, and then most resistance is coming above 18,800. All right. And on triple Qs ETF, the gap is around 455.69, all the way higher here. All right. So keep that in mind. Dow Jones, here you go. Dow Jones also 9 counts buy signal. So this is going to be a nice entry here for a really long-term buy. This looks like came very close to the bottom. This is a nice correction on Dow Jones. Down here, bear flag down again. This is the buy area, okay? And on DIA ETF, look at the gaps it has to fill. One gap here, 384, second gap here, 387, third gap here, 390. Three gaps to fill from where it closed up to second gap is 1.67, third gap is almost 2.5%. And if you buy something like UDAO, you can have 3x ETF, you can have 3x coverage there. Okay. Russell 2000, same thing in the resistance now. The move is happened. 7 counts buy signal, but most of the move is already happened in the resistances area right now. And on IWM ETF, the gaps are it's gapping up, so no gaps up, but there are multiple gaps down. So if it can eventually come down later on, but now it's looking for a nice rally into the summer, looks like. All right, so UNH, I have it here. I think it's in the buy zone. So this is something you feel free to buy. All these yellow lines are gaps to fill. It's in the buy zone. Tesla, all right, up slightly pre-market. All these yellow lines are gaps to fill. Near resistances here. Next target is 184. CRM is down heavily after earnings. Down a little bit pre-market, still in the buy zone. Good area to buy for the long term. 7 counts buy signal, couple more days, and we will have 9 counts buy signal here. Bitcoin, all right, rallying after PCE data. Again, it was massive rally in the red zone dump, came close to buy zone and rallying again near resistance here. So also in the longer term chart, I had 9 counts buy signal here. And on the PPO chart, I want to see green line go above red line. It's still not done, but if it rallies, it can do that. All right. So let's see. Still, it's a higher low. You can see higher highs, higher lows. So it really needs to hold here, and then a bounce should go take it to 80,000, 90,000. Ethereum, same thing will do as whatever Bitcoin does. Is very stronger. Came close to buy zone. Now in the sell zone. So move is already done. And from gap perspective on CME futures, the gap on Bitcoin is around 70,000. That should fill very soon. And on Ethereum, that gap is around 39.49 to be precise. All right, China Hang Seng Index in the buy zone. Okay, so Alibaba and Baidu should be in the buy zone this morning. There's a gap here. I have to check if this gap is filled. Let me quickly check 1 hour chart. Looks like they did fill this gap, so I can delete this. So there is this no gap here. Go back to daily chart. All right, so it's 9 counts buy signal. Nice correction on China, and I think all these Alibabas and Baidu should be ready to run. Apple, Apple is going towards sell zone on a daily chart near resistances. Amazon, let's look at Amazon, is still near buy zone. Okay, Amazon could be a nice trade here, shaping up for Amazon. Netflix, Netflix is in the neutral zone. Google, Google is in the buy zone. Meta, Facebook is bouncing from the buy zone as well. A couple of gaps to fill for Meta. Microsoft, Microsoft was very weak after this earnings from CRM, is still in the buy zone even after 0.7% up. Snowflakes is down heavily. One of the subscribers told me to review it. You can see Snowflakes is near previous lows. Okay, so this low happened on October 2023. Then we've had a lot of support here. So I think Snowflake should find buyers here. And you can see what's happening. We made a new low and PPO is making higher low. RSI is making higher low. So we have some divergence and I'm getting a 7 counts buy signal. So you can see whenever I get that here, 7 counts buy signal, 8, 9 buy, 7, 8, 9 buy, 7, 8, 9, a little bit down, then buy. So we're very close to finding a bottom on Snowflakes. In my opinion, this is a very good entry for the long-term hold near previous lows, where there's a lot of support here, a lot of support since 2022. Every time it comes here, it bounces. So start grabbing Snowflake share here, in my opinion. NVDA, all right, so NVIDIA monster does not stop. Already up 2.5% near going towards sell zone, gapping up. So nothing can stop this guy. AVGO is near buy zone. Qualcomm is bouncing from the buy zone, and AMD also up pre-market, did not even go towards buy zones yet. Let's look at commodities. Gold. Gold is pumping after this inflation data, and still making a high low. Could still bounce from here. Silver. Silver is in the neutral zone. Crude oil. Crude oil is bouncing from the buy zone. All right. Still holding support nicely and bouncing. Natural gas. Natural gas down a little bit pre-market. Still holding support. Was a nice rally near 200 EM and SMA. So it's a back test and now it's going to be getting ready for a bounce. So it's in the buy zone. Copper. Copper is also in the buy zone. Palladium is in the neutral zone. Soybeans. Soybeans is in the neutral zone. Sugar. Long-term sugar is also looking good. It's like wheat at one stage, near some divergence and nice support here. Wheat is bouncing, touch 700, now getting ready for next bounce. Corn is also nice, facing resistance on this 200 EM SMAs, but it really needs to break that. to be very bullish. DXY is in the buy zone. Okay, after this data, DXY is in the buy zone. This is where dollar can find support and eventually can bounce. Keep that in mind. So don't be too bearish on dollar. All right, that's it for today. If you have any, okay, one of the public members told me to look at Riot, RIOT, Riot here. Nice area here, nice support area looks like. This whole area is in the support zone. So if I draw a box, this whole area is a nice support for Riot. All right, so let's make it green. This one we can make it green. And this one we can make a light green here like that. All right. So nice support area here on Riot. So and on here, which is day trading chart, Riot is in the neutral zone. All right. Okay. VIX. Let's wrap up with VIX. VIX is down 5%, which is understandable. I was telling we're expecting this bounce on SPX, so VIX will be down. I think VIX is gonna go make a new low here. And that's it, guys. This is the time to bounce. Just relax and enjoy the ride now. Okay, guys, hit the like button on your way out. I will see you later. Bye.